morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor video. Guys, if you are new to the channel, this is the routine. Subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload the content you'll be the first to receive the content. So in today's video I'm gonna do a stew saltfish, some roast breadfruit, some fried plantain and some boiled corn. So these are some of the things that I'm gonna look about today on the channel. And guys, thank you for supporting the channel as always. Welcome to our new subscriber. So as you know guys can see me, I go grate out the coconut for going at the stew saltfish. So just I go and grate out the coconut in the morning. So after grating off the coconut and extract the juice, I'm going to put on the peas on the fire, make it go and cook, and then add in the coconut milk. I'm going to use 1 clove of garlic. So and the next part now is for the saltfish. So I'm going to add some vinegar into the water, like 1 spoon of vinegar. So I have the saltfish, some fresh water, so I'm going to add them into the water on the fire. So the vinegar will help to reduce the salt in the saltfish. So I'm going to boil them just for 5 minutes. So I'm going to add some water into the peas pot just to sink the peas. I'm going to take out the saltfish and add them into some cold water. I'm going to add the breadfruit onto the fire, guys. So guys, I'm roasting some breadfruit. So these breadfruit, we have them a drain from about 3 days now, so them actually turn. And this is how I like my breadfruit when they are turned. So roast breadfruit, saltfish stew today. That's what I'm preparing. Yes sir. So I'm check on the peas. And the peas are come on well good. And I'm gonna turn the breadfruit. And the breadfruit them looking good, guys. Now I'm going to add in the coconut milk in the pot. Check for the breadfruit them. Wash breadfruit. So the ones them that is finished roast, me just take them off. Put them on the side. Now the peas done cook with the coconut milk, so I'm gonna add some Irish potato and some carrots. So I'm cooking the Irish potato and the carrot same time. I'm gonna add the sweet potato after, because the sweet potato is much more easier to cook. Guys, I'm adding some spinach dumpling into the stew, and it is optional if you are planning to do the saltfish stew. You could add the spinach dumpling. If you don't want it in it, you don't have to add the dumpling in it. So I'm just rolling some little one, adding in it. I'm still adding in the spinners. It is looking good already, guys, as you can see. The carrots and the Irish potato cook. After me adding the spinners, I am gonna add the sweet potato in it. I'm gonna add in the sweet potato, now the saltfish stew. Just give it a stir. Everything looking perfect, guys. Everything I go and simmer down. I am washing piece of thyme, add into the pot, make it go and add flavor to the saltfish stew. I'm gonna add in the rest of the vegetables. I'm gonna use red sweet pepper, some scallion, onion, and some orange sweet pepper, otherwise yellow sweet pepper. Now this stew. So guys, today I am making saltfish stew. So I'm just adding in some bell pepper, some onion, scallion in the pot. And then the next step now is to add in the saltfish and some okra. I'm adding a green pepper into the stew, add flavor. I'm gonna add in the saltfish, now the stew. So after the adding in the saltfish, I am gonna add in the okra. I'm gonna add some butter, which is half stick of butter in the pot, and some all-purpose season. So this is what the saltfish stew is looking like. So I'm just waiting on it to dry down a little bit more. So the stew done. So I'm just gonna make it dry down just a little bit more. And then next to the stew, we have the roast breadfruit them. So after I take out the stew now, I am gonna fry the plantain. And then that is it for today. now the last thing we have to do is to fry the plantain. Now I'm gonna add some cooking oil. Steer the go on hot. Fry the plantain. Split the plantain in some small pieces. And then wait on the oil to hot. So now I'm gonna check on the oil and see if the oil is hot. I fry the plantain them guys, and the rain is actually coming down. So I'm trying to see if I can wrap up the video before the rain comes down, and we are actually heading into the rainy season now guys. So I've got to try to find a different way how to shoot the videos outside. But because the rain come down, so I just boil the corn them inside of the house. I'm trying to see if I can just finish up the frying the plantain outside. But hopefully the video can finish before the rain comes down. So I check on the plant them, and them are catch good color guys, so I'm gonna take them out of the oil and just to rest them on the piece of paper towel. I'm taking out the plantain guys. We reached to the end of the video, and this is my stew saltfish, fried plantain, roast breadfruit, boiled corn, some vegetable. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, also remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to receive the content from my channel.